Unlock the power of remote content creation by installing OBS Studio on your Ubuntu VPS. First, connect to your Ubuntu VPS using SSH. Make sure you have your username and password ready. We're going to start by updating your system's package list. Enter the commands sudo apt update and press enter. This will ensure you have the most recent packages. Next, type sudo apt upgrade to install the latest versions of your software. This is important for compatibility. Now for the main event, let's install OBS Studio. Type sudo apt install of Studio and press enter. Confirm any prompts that appear during the installation process by typing Y when required. This may take a moment, depending on your internet speed. OBS needs a virtual display to work in a headless environment. Run sudo apt install server xorgadami to install the virtual display driver. Next, we need to configure this virtual display environment. To configure your virtual display, we'll be using xrandr first. Create a new mode with xrandr new mode your underscore resolution. Then add the new mode and output with xrandr mode default your underscore resolution. And there you have it. You've successfully installed OBS Studio on your Ubuntu VPS. Use a remote desktop application like VNC to access the VPS GUI and start using OBS now. You can leverage your VPS for automated video tasks and remote broadcasting. For more in-depth guides, check out the description below.